English Medium School, Maldan online classes. I am Raut Manisha. I will teach you 3rd standard mathematics subject. In the previous lecture, we have learned how to make 3-digit number, then change the place of 100 place, tens place, unit place and make new 3-digit number. Correct? Today we will learn next topic of number word, the number before, the number after. See in book. See the book. Which topic this? The number before, the number after. Read the numbers in the number strips below. First strips 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. See the next. 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226. See the next. 399, 400, 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408, 409, 410. Some questions are given here. See first question. With the help of the number strips above, write the next number. See the first example. 105. 105. Where is 105? See. 105. Next number. Which next number? 106. Write down. See the next. Next example. 220. Where is 220? See here. Next number. 221. Write down. See the next example. 409. Where is 409? Next number 410. Write down. See the next example. 219. Where is 219? Next number 220. Write down. See the next question. With the help of the number strips above, write the number just before. Just before means write down before number. See the first example. 400. 400 before number. Which number before? 399. Write down. See the next example. 107. Just before 106. Write down. See the next example. 218. Just before 217. Next example. 110. Just before 109. Write down 109. See the next question. With the help of the number strips above, write the numbers just before and just after. First example. 217. Where is 217? See. Just before. Which number? 216. Just after. Which number? 218. Write down. See the next example. Which example? 100. 100 just before and just after. Find the number. See here 100. Just before number 99. Just after number 101. Write down. See the next example. Which example? 409. Just before number and just after number we have find. See. Just before 408 and just after 410. Write down. Okay, this topic again see on digital board.
The number before, the number after. Well, let's learn about that. Read the numbers in the number strips below. Let's do it together. 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Now the next strip. 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226. Now the next is 399, 400, 401, 402, 403, 404, 405, 406, 407, 408, 409, 410. With the help of the number strips above, write the next number. Well, the first is 105. What number comes after 105? If we check the number strip, it is 106. So after 105, we have 106. 220. The number strip shows that after 220, we have 221. Next is 409. After 409, we have 410. Next is 290. According to the number strip, after 290, we have 220. With the help of the number strips above, write the number just before. Box 400. What comes before 400? If you check the number strip, it is 399. So 399 comes before 400. Next is a number before 107. According to the number strip, 106 comes before 107. So we will write 106. Now the next one. What comes before 218? Before 218, we have 270. So, 270 comes before 218. What comes before 110? The number that comes before 110 is 109. So 109 comes before 110. With the help of the number strips above, write the numbers just before and just after. We need to write a number before 270 and after 270. If you check the number strip, 216 comes before 270 and 218 comes after 270. Next 100. 99 comes before 100 and 101 comes after 100. 409. If you check the strips, 408 comes before 409 and 410 comes after 409.
I hope all students understood this topic. On next lecture, we will see next topic. Thank you.